Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate the correct way to upload videos to Discord using this updated 2024 guide. Discord has evolved into a vital platform for groups to exchange thoughts and multimedia, including video clips. Whether you are a beginner or just want to improve your skills, this guide is for you. Start by launching your web browser and visiting the official Discord site. You will arrive at the login page, which is your entry point to your digital communities. For existing users, the process is simple. If you are new, the registration steps are very quick. On the login screen, input your registered email address carefully to prevent errors. Next, enter your password, keeping it confidential for security. Once your details are filled in, hit the login button to access your account home screen. From your dashboard, pick the server where you want to share your content. Servers are the core of the Discord experience, each hosting a unique community. If you haven't joined one yet, you can easily find or create a server that fits your interests. Click the server icon on the left sidebar to enter. Once inside, choose the specific text channel for your post, usually identified by a hashtag symbol before the name. Now that you are in the correct channel, locate the message field at the bottom. To the left of this box, click the plus icon to open the file uploader. This opens your file explorer, where you can browse and select the video you wish to upload. Keep in mind that Discord has file size restrictions. If your video is too large, you may need to compress it or provide a link from an external host. After selecting your file, you can type an optional message to provide context or an introduction. When you are ready, press enter or click the send icon. You have successfully shared your video. If you run into trouble, verify that the file format and size meet Discord's requirements. Sharing content is about more than just uploading. It is about engaging with others and following community rules to maintain a positive space. This concludes our walkthrough on posting videos to Discord. Whether it's a gaming highlight or a tutorial, you now have the tools to share it properly. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more guides. Happy posting!